That'd be funny if it was right in. There's birds in there. Wait, listen. Shh. Listen. There's birds. There's a bird nest in here. Oh wow, there's a bird nest in there. Let's get moving.
Yeah, let's get moving. I thought there was gonna be a raccoon or something in there.
No, there's no raccoons. There's just birds in there.
Like
all right, so geocache. It's kind of up in a tree a little bit. So
I found it.
Yeah, it's about 5 or 6 feet. It's about a little bit, right about here, about my nose level. Somewhere in these trees. No, that might be too hot. Show me where the here, show me where the your pencil. Show me where the geocache is. Where's the geocache? No, stay to your left. Go to your left. Keep going to your left. Nope, now to your right. Keep going right to the, yeah, keep going. Look, right. Look up. From the point of view of you, can you see the geocache? Oh, there it is. Yeah, the geocache. While we take a look at the dirt field. Wonder what they're gonna grow here. Farming country of the Willamette Valley. You get it? All right, open it up. Open it up. Okay. Find me a spot on there. Done. All right, signed. Put it back in now. Put it back in. And there we go. Geocache been found on this road trip. Now we got to continue on down the road.
Winston!
Where are we going?
Winston, Oregon.
What are we going to see?
Safari.
Let's do it. Safari time.
I just want to run in those dirt fields. Just like run the whole time. Just like
run through the dirt fields.
Yeah, and then just like
you can have a dirt clod. What if you had a dirt clod fight? They still have dirt clod fights?
Play soccer in it.
All right.
Play dirt soccer.
We're out of here.